Use. Yan guys. Punta tayo sa Earn. Punta tayo sa shopping. Kasi dito yung ano check natin yung mga product na pwede i-open. So dito mga guys is only for commission. Dito is tagging. Ito is 15,000 if ever makasales tayo ng madami. Ito medyo mahirap to kasi wala kasi tayong viewers. Aray ko. So dito na lang tayo mga guys. Try natin to. Itong 5,000 pero kailangan natin kailangan natin mag-fill up mga guys, tapos mag-tag lang tayo ng isang product. So yes, let's check if ma-accept pa tani or ma-approve. So we will know if in 3 days or even 1 week. Kasi pag mga guys, kasi pag lumapas na ng 1 week tas wala pa lang acceptance, it means na yung fill up mo is hindi valid, or maybe you have to fill up another. So yun lang. So gawin natin ng paraan. Let's go. Dito mga guys, ito kailangan lang natin yan submitan. So get ready John Youth Submission to July 1. So okay, start tayo dito sa baba. So the ID natin, ID, the length. Dito mga guys, kailangan lang natin mag-tag up to 10 videos para manalo. Pag ganyan mga guys, remove natin yan. Pili tayo na iba. Piliin nyo lang yung mga guys, like piliin nyo lang yung maganda. Maganda para sa video nyo. So dito mga guys, i-copy natin yan. Click mo lang to. Yan. Screenshot yan. Tapos dito, i-copy paste natin tong link. Ito tayo. Dito, dismiss. Dito. Tapos dito mga guys is kating control B, tapos yan control V yan. Yes, move lang natin yan. Alright, so may screenshot na tayo, tapos ilalagay natin dito guys yan, para may proof tayo na nag-send tayo ng 10 products sa isang video. So yes, nag-fill up tayo 5K yun mga guys, hoping na we will be accepted from Lazada, so it was not guarantee na pag naka-fill up ka na, ikaw na yung mapipili. So yes, all over the Philippines to mga guys, kahit saan bansa ka pa, kahit sa nation ka pa mga guys. So we're hoping na we're the one. Wow, we're the chosen one. So we have so many to use that tool to buy something na it was good here from atong father, para at the same time na siya magamit rin na money, and also we can give to another person so yeah, hoping na makagain tag money to start up the challenge so since we have only 5 pesos, then the accountability that we have to reach is 600 pesos so we are hoping na within this month challenge or this next month until the class, okay, we will gain a lot of money, just around 20k. Wow, a 20k challenge. Yes, we're hoping we can get that money. So these 5 pesos, we are hoping na we're gonna get this money, more. So Yeah. This 5 pesos will gonna make 20 pesos, 20k pesos. Ay, 20k thousand, sorry. Aray ko. So, let's go guys. So, today, we're gonna go to the, guys, sa linuto natin na kanin, sorry. Let's go. Hey, let's go mga guys. So, here we have a rice. Ay, laking Bisaya. Alright. So, lutong-luto na mga guys. So, may rice na tayo ngayon. Ayos mga guys. Let's go. Ay, ito guys. Ano ito ni guys? For today's vlog. Ay. Me. Bro, not there bro. Ito dyan natin butang kabos guys, kaya mas lagan dito. Hey! Tell me what to do, me. Alright. Sure. Bye-bye sa Jami. So, let's go guys. So, mabalik ito sa baba, okay? May magluto lang something there. Yeah, magluto lang something there. Let's go! Yes, look for chicken guys. Saray mo. Alright. Alaka! Yo, let me guys. Hey, kain lang guys, kain. Father, oh, happy birthday, father. Hey, for today's vlog mga guys, kay see you on another vlog tomorrow. Let's go. Another challenge.